All right, folks, buckle up and grab your coffee because we've got some real estate news that'll make your Monday morning shine. So here's the Houston housing market update, but it's kind of like a tale of two charts. According to Zillow, the average home value in Houston slid 0.2% to around $265,000 over the past year, with houses going pending in about 43 days. So if you blink, you might miss a sale. But meanwhile, Redfin, they insist it's a boomtown, reporting a 5.7% bump to around $335,000 median price, and homes off the market in about 48 days. Give or take, right? Crazy. So how about mortgage rates? Well, the financial roller coaster last week, rates dipped to 6.62%, triggering a frenzy of applications. Because who doesn't love a bargain? Only to rebound back to 7% faster than you can say adjustable rate. So if you thought interest rates were boring, think again. This ride has more twists than a blockbuster finale cliffhanger. Yes. So credit is making a comeback. Lenders are loosening their ties. The Mortgage Bankers Association reports mortgage credit availability reached its highest since January 2023, right? So cash out refinances, jumbo loans are making a comeback. Yes, I know. Kind of weird, right? So the tariff tango continues. It's disrupting construction. New steel and aluminum tariffs are sending construction costs sky high and throwing supply chains into their two left feet dance. Translation: your dream new home build might take longer and cost you more. So also in the news, the Houston realtors have been trending for championing the market resilience. Yes, doing really good, Houston realtors, because when the going gets tough, the tough get listing. More news. So is real estate or luxury real estate a safe haven or a gimmick? Global market jitters from tariffs have high net worth buyers parking their cash in luxury real estate. It's less home sweet home and more home sweet hedge. So that's your week in real estate, folks. Equal parts data and market drama. If you enjoyed this update, or at least tolerated my corny jokes, give it a like or share it with your realtor friends, and tune in next week for more. Until then, may your foundations be solid and your rates be low.